Welcome to Stetson University Theatre Arts, where creativity takes the stage. Our home is the Second Stage Theater, a 224-seat studio space complete with a scene shop, classroom, and costume shop.
Studying theater arts is a huge benefit for anyone, I would say. It's one of those courses of study that sort of educates and helps an individual explore the human condition. Getting a BA in theater is a great baseline at any liberal arts institution in understanding how to take risks, understanding how to analyze human behavior, and understanding how storytelling can kind of bring us to exploration of, again, the human condition, authenticity, understanding other cultures and belief systems. Being able to recognize all of those transferable skills and bringing them into your major is a really special thing, but it also is the best life training that you possibly could have.
Each year, our season features 4 main stage productions, along with special performances from across Stetson's visual and performing arts community.
An amazing part of this program is the openness and the ability for anyone to do these productions. I'm so thankful for this because I would not have been able to meet the amazing people that I already have. I've met so many amazing people who have become such close friends of mine, especially our costume designer, Cheryl, who has become such a close mentor of mine. I can come to her for anything that I need. These people have really truly become my family, my home away from home, and I'm very thankful for that.
Whether you're a major, a minor, or simply curious about theater, you're invited to take part. Auditions, classes, and crew positions are open to everyone because theater is for all. This theater department has so many opportunities, and I think being able to work in different technical positions, being able to participate in productions as an actor, as a designer, as a crew member has, helped me to have multiple experiences that I can apply once I start auditioning and applying for jobs in the real theater world. Want to act, direct, design sets and costumes, explore stage management, or theater administration? At Stetson, theater is more than performance. It's practice for the real world. You'll learn to think critically, communicate boldly, and create with empathy. These are the skills that move audiences and open doors. Our program also supports students who attend national theater conferences, job fairs, and auditions. We believe the best learning happens through doing, because at its heart, theater is about connection. It's about compassion, storytelling, and the shared experience of being human. And that's what we do best at Stetson University Theatre Arts.